Meet Psittacosaurus. One of the early Cretaceous, or at least this is my first time drawing this dinosaur. I've only got to look at this prehistoric creature once. I haven't really gotten the chance to see it in other dinosaur-related series. It would have been great to look at it on Prehistoric Planet. Prehistoric Planet. It would have been great to see it on Life on Our Planet. Anyway, from what I've heard, from what I learned from this guy, Psittacosaurus, this guy can defend itself using the quills on its tail. Sort of like how a porcupine does it. Porcupines don't exactly shoot quills out of their backs. Rather, they just come out just to defend themselves. Psittacosaurus might have done the same thing when this guy was spotted by threats. There we are. There we go. Now then, let's draw the pattern on Psittacosaurus' tail. Let's see. And it looks like it's finished. Alexa, what is Psittacosaurus?
Good evening, Robin. In software development, a source is the original code or program used to create something new. In communication, a source is the person or entity that sends a message to a receiver. In information, a source is the origin of data or information.
Alexa, what is Psittacosaurus?
Psittacosaurus is a humorous nickname that highlights Seneca's power and dominance. It combines Seneca's name with saurus and electronic to create a distinctive and
That class
I get it.
doesn't belong like that.
All right then.